What's up, you guys? It's your girl TymarrahGi. We are back with another video. You guys read by the title. Today we're getting into a little maintenance. Y'all know I don't keep styles in for long. I just can't express how much I love these miracle knots. Like, you could do anything with these. I've had these in for a little minute now, probably like going on 3 weeks. It's a little crusty. I wanted to wait until it got to this point so that I can actually like show y'all the maintenance of it and how it really looks. Even though it looks like this, I literally just spray some stuff on it, throw it in any type of style that I want to, fix my baby hairs, and I'm literally out the door. And like I said before, this is just my hair sitting in the bonnet, but as soon as I like spray the hair or something and do what I gotta do to it, we don't have no more problems. Like, everything is good. Well, I really don't even have no problems. Like, this hair is from Ywigs, and actually I didn't use all of the packs, so I can show you guys exactly what it looked like if you guys didn't see my tutorial. If you are watching this video for the maintenance and you did not see the first real tutorial, what you doing, girl? Stop this and go watch the tutorial. It will be linked in this video in the cards up here. This is their deep wave, and this is the hair that I've had in my hair. And actually I do really like it because y'all see how it's like spiraling like this. I feel like that's why I've had it in for a minute. Like, it just looks so cute. So this is some really good quality hair, y'all. All I have to do is spray some stuff on it and it just bounces right back. Really get all up into it so y'all can see, and I'm filming on my DJI so y'all can see all of the angles. Y'all see it's looking a little crusty. The hair is definitely grown out a bit. For the wash process, I'm going to be using my all-time favorite, y'all. Right here is the one you should be using on your hair. Now, the original silicone mix, I only recommend that for reviving your bundles, but this particular one, the argan oil, this is the shampoo and this is the little mask, but this is basically like the conditioner. I love to use this on my hair, and then this is what it looks like on the inside. It's just like regular silicone mix. But yeah, and the smell, oh my god, the smell is just so good. It just smells so good. Can't say that while me having this style for like 3 weeks now, only one slipped out, y'all. One. It was because I was pulling and tugging and one slipped out, and it wasn't even like a whole one. It was just one. It was like, let me tell you, like, kind of give you an idea. It was like a piece of hair. It wasn't even the string on it. Like, I don't know what I was doing, but when I am refreshing my hair and stuff like that, like going to the gym or whatever, like, I could really show y'all right now, honestly. This is such a low maintenance hairstyle, especially with this length. It's so low maintenance. But say I'm finna get up, go to the gym real quick, I just take a little spray and I just spray it in my hair. I see how it's just like kind of giving it a little life. Just spray the bottom, and then y'all see, and I literally just put it in a ponytail, do what I gotta do, and go about my way. Like, it's just that easy. We're about to get this wash started. Ooh, let's just do another little thing of the hair. Now let's go ahead and take this out. This is what it's looking like. Whew, these edges look tight. This is actually very lightweight. Like, this is so lightweight. Oh wow, why is it looking kind of long now? I'm gonna cut those. I am gonna go in with my diffuser, and before I do that, I am gonna put a few things in my hair. We are working with human hair, so I am gonna put a little heat protector. This is by Silk Elements. And put it in my hands and just put it on the hair. Oh yeah, y'all remember what I was telling y'all when the piece fell out? This is the piece that fell out. Next, I'm gonna go in with my leave-in conditioner. This is the Keratin leave-in conditioner by Chi. Spray this in my hair. Go in with the green tea, Keratin green tea reconstructor. I just love using this, so I'm just going through it with it one more time. Okay, now so to define these curls, I'm just going to take my diffuser, and this is a Dyson blow dryer. This looks like a whole curl. Like, this is really looking like just curly hair rather than braids, and I really love that. Like, this is a really good texture. Like, this curl pattern is just so cute. Like, do y'all see this? Like, look at this. Just taking some Blue Magic, and it has like a little bit of castor oil in it. Like, it has a little Jamaican castor oil in it. And I'm just gonna go in and put that all over my scalp, because my scalp definitely needs it. So I'm about to do my baby hairs now. I have my little skinny straightener. And for my edges, y'all, I'm just using some edge booster. Y'all know I normally do not use edge control because it breaks me out. But I'm not gonna lie, y'all, every once in a while, I just be like, you know what, let me try this and see if I feel anything or if it's messing with me or anything like that. Because some of these edge controls be coming in clutch, but it's just, I just can't use it. So that's why I resort to just, you know, getting my perms and just doing my edges with gel. But I am in between having to do a touch up on my perm, but I'm just waiting a little bit more, so I do have some hair that is grown in, and it was kind of like not working with the gel. So I'm like, you know what, let me pull out this edge booster because these edges are gonna get slayed today. But I'm done with it. Normally what I would recommend after using the edge booster is just take a little got2b spray, hold spray, and then blow dry it so it can really stay in place. But I didn't do that for this video. I was just going on with the styles. I just wanted to see what it looked like in a little ponytail that is too cute. And then I made it to like this little bun thing, which was cute as well. Like, I love that me refreshing the hair, it really brought the hair like to life more. Like, the hair was already looking real good, but after this wash and the diffuser and everything, like, this hair really bounced back for real, and it just looks so cute. Like, if I was the type to keep hairstyles in for like a month, this will definitely probably one of them, probably like 4 to 5 weeks, like, I don't know, basically a month. If you do this in smaller parts, these will definitely last. That was the end of this tutorial and showing you guys how I refresh my miracle knots. I would definitely recommend this style to a lot of people. Like, I recommend it to everybody because this is so easy and lightweight, and I literally just wash my hair and diffused it, and we're back fresh for the week. Like, I feel like this style could probably last people months. I said before, if you guys did not watch the whole original tutorial for this hairstyle, make sure you guys click the cards and check that out. And also, all the information for this hairstyle will be linked down below in the description box, so make sure you guys shop Ywigs, because this is very good quality boho miracle knot crochet hair. Like, this is perfect. Like, this was just perfect, chef's kiss. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay blessed. Jab babies, we out.